Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix songs keep pausing in Amazon Music. So if your songs and your app keep pausing automatically, it's usually caused by connection issues, battery restrictions, app glitches, or offline playback problems. So to fix that issue, we'll need to first check your internet connection. So just go ahead and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn the airplane mode that you can see at the top of my screen on then off, and ensure your network is stable by running a speed test by Ookla or a speed test by fast.com that powered by Netflix. So streaming pauses often happen if Amazon Music can't maintain a connection. Also, I do really advise you to restart the Amazon Music and your device as well. So just close the app completely. How so? You will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app. And that way you will close it completely. Then just restart your phone and open Amazon Music again. So this will lead to fix the temporary glitches causing the auto pausing. Also, you will need to update the Amazon Music, so check for an update by going through your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Use the search bar below and go with Amazon Music, type it. And now just find it, tap it, and tap on updates if available. Also guys, I do really advise you turn off the VPN or proxy and check the offline download. So if you are using offline mode, just re-download songs or playlists, and corrupted downloads can cause songs to pause automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.